Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Friday, April 13th, 2018. More than 89 earthquakes hit near Old Faithful Geyser in Wyoming within 24 hours starting on Thursday, and their numbers are still increasing. This would mark the second earthquake swarm to hit Yellowstone this year. Scientists believe this swarm indicates an intrusion of magma inside the caldera of the park. We must keep a close eye on this developing situation. Vanuatu authorities have declared a state of emergency Friday after the last eruption on the northern island of Ambe, forcing 11,000 people to prepare for evacuations. Villagers on the island are facing their second evacuation in 7 months after the volcano rumbled back to life and rained ash on their homes. Houses are collapsing and trees are falling from the weight of heavy ashfall from the volatile volcano. 16 killed and at least 100 injured on Wednesday as a devastating storm hit northwestern India, causing 80% crop loss to the area. Storms with destructive hail and wind speed exceeding 100 kilometers per hour, or 62 miles per hour, created havoc in the region, uprooting trees and damaging crops and homes. On Wednesday, Mecca, Saudi Arabia experienced powerful rain and severe flooding. So far this year, Saudi Arabia has experienced everything from snow in the desert and torrential hail to rain bombs and extreme flooding. Here's another example of a torrential rain bomb in Oakland Park, Florida. It's springtime and a major blizzard is on the way to the northern plains of the United States, forecast to bring multiple feet of snow. The blizzard conditions are projected from Nebraska, South Dakota, and southern North Dakota to central and southern Minnesota and Wisconsin. More changes in our oceans as billions of jellyfish-like organisms called Velella wash up on the French coast, thousands of kilometers from home for the first time ever. While Velella are a somewhat regular occurrence on the United States coastlines, this marks the first time they've ever been observed on this part of the French coast. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.